Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to become a Salesforce administrator. If you're looking to launch a career in Salesforce or enhance your existing skills, following this structured path will set you up for success and prepare you for the official certification. First, you'll want to log into Trailhead, which is Salesforce's free online learning platform. Once you're in, use the search bar to look for the Admin Beginner Trail. This trail is specifically designed for aspiring administrators and covers all the foundational knowledge you need. When you find it, click on the Admin Beginner Trail card to open it up and view the full curriculum. Now comes the learning phase, and this is where you'll build your core competency. You'll need to complete several key modules within this trail. Start with Salesforce Platform Basics, which gives you an overview of what Salesforce is and how it works. Next, move through data modeling, where you'll learn how to structure information in Salesforce, then tackle data management to understand how to import, export, and maintain data quality. Continue with Lightning Experience customization to learn how to tailor Salesforce to specific business needs. After that, complete user engagement to discover how to drive adoption and help users get the most from the platform. Finally, finish with reports and dashboards for Lightning Experience, which teaches you how to create meaningful visualizations and analytics. These modules form the foundation of what every Salesforce administrator needs to know. Once you've completed the learning modules, it's time to get hands-on practice. Log into your Developer Edition org, which is a free Salesforce environment you can use for practice. To access the administrative settings, click the gear icon in the top right corner, then select Setup from the drop-down menu. This is your control center as an administrator. Now put your knowledge to work by practicing the creation of users, custom objects, reports, and dashboards. Trailhead provides hands-on challenges throughout the modules, so use these to reinforce what you've learned in a real Salesforce environment. Finally, when you're ready to prepare for the official certification exam, head back to Trailhead and search for Prepare for Your Salesforce Administrator Credential Trail Mix. This trail mix is specifically designed to help you review and prepare for the certification exam, ensuring you're ready to pass and earn your official credential. And there you have it, a clear roadmap to becoming a certified Salesforce administrator. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.